I'm not sure na convinced tayo or convinced kayo. Are you
Yes,
convinced, 'di ba? Na meron na kayong pinangahawakan na authority to make that conclusion, no? So ganun yung lesson for the next articles, no? That they have to show something,
Yes.
evidence
Yes.
to help the senator judges make that legal conclusion na yung mga charges ay either betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and yung mga high crimes and corruption, di ba? They have to help the senator judges make that legal conclusion.
Correct. Okay.
So it's not just a matter of yung presenting evidence to prove the facts. Kailangan yun. Nagagawa na yun. Nagawa nila this time yun. But how do you help the senator judges make that legal conclusion from those facts that na mapipresent nila?
Good point.
Oo
Good
nga.
point.
Ano,
Yeah.
magandang pagnilay nila yan.